साबिक राज्यसभा सांसद डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा ने आज मीडिया से बातचीत में कहा है कि वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम डे पर उन्होंने जो बयान जारी किया था वो किसी शख्स पर कंसंट्रेटेड नहीं था। डॉक्टर चंद्रा ने कहा है कि मीडिया से जुड़े होने की वजह से उन्होंने अपनी बात रखी थी। डॉक्टर चंद्रा ने कहा कि उनका बयान बहुत नॉर्मल था। तो साबिक राज्यसभा सांसद यहाँ सुभाष चंद्रा ने ये बयान दिया है और कहा है कि उन्होंने जो बयान दिया था प्रेस फ्रीडम डे के ऊपर वो किसी एक शख्स से कंसंट्रेटेड नहीं था।
And I'm here to share my thoughts and perspective about our current situation. On the World Press Freedom Day, a video was released by me in a normal course. Being from media and 3rd May is celebrated worldwide as a World Press Freedom Day. In the morning, I did not see much in the newspapers or in the Indian social media or even television channels anything about the World Press Freedom Day on that morning. So I thought somebody should say something. And while I was recording, things came out naturally. As I mentioned in the press release also, that it wasn't directed towards any individual or any particular party or anybody. Though at the back of my mind, incidences which my colleague, fellow editors or the journalists and even my business colleagues in the news media, when they come and talk in probably monthly review meetings, said, "Sir, this month my revenue fell." Why? Because the editorial put some negative statement about such and such state government, and they stopped releasing our press advertising. So-and-so business house have stopped giving us advertising because of some news which we published. So those things replayed in my mind, and I said, where is the press freedom in our own country? And that reflected in that video. So, I mean, as all of you know that I'm not a long speaker, I would rather answer the questions, but certainly as a publisher, as a pioneer who started the first news channel also, private news channel also in the country, thoughts do come in the mind that where we should be and where we are heading. We used to see people, as Anurag just said, सिस्टम से हारा हुआ आदमी हमारे पास आता है। कुछ साल पहले हमने we did an extensive exercise. I, together with my colleagues from the journalism, media, and editors, we all went to the length and breadth of this country. And we met at least 7,000 families, people. And they all said that you guys, you only talk politics, you only show something which you want to show, but you don't talk about my problems, my issues. At the same time, while blaming, they also said that you are only my last hope. So both messages were very loud and clear. And since then, we started in Zee News applying 6 methods or parameters of while giving a news. We trained our reporters, we did everything. For about a year, 2 years, we were even putting it on the screen that what lenses we have applied when we are giving you the news.